What's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean Nintendo 3DS, Nintendo DSi, and basically I'll show you how to clean your cartridges. Now, if you can notice with this cartridge, if you look at, if you look at this section, if you can notice it, if you look at this section, you notice it is dirty. This is the reason why sometimes you put in your cartridge into your 3DS, it's not working. You're not seeing anything coming up. Look, notice, put in the cartridge. Not picking up. Yeah, not picking up, right? Cartridge is not picking up. Alright, this is the reason why the cartridge is not picking up. Cartridge is dirty. Alright, that's why you're not getting anything from it. Now you notice that this one look different than this one, right? It's because I remove all of this from the cartridge, and sometimes a little bit hard to clean, so I just remove it and clean it. It work fine, same way it work, just as normal. You understand? Now the thing will just remove that section here from it. Now you're gonna need yeah, basically this is the next WD-40 video. Not sponsored by WD-40. If they want to sponsor me, they can sponsor me, because we use it on a daily basis in my workplace. Use it to repair games, clean games. Not repair, basically it'll be cleaning and all of that. But to me it's the best thing for use on these metal surface. Now you see, as you can see, me have a razor. This is a pliers. Yeah, I need like I need a rag. Yeah, if you have a brand new, you can get a whole rag. You notice this is the one this used already. I use for the cleaning. Now, alright, I'll start now. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Simple. And you can see, yeah, me clean this already. Now, I have it put on for a while. Usually what happens is this, where you have them put on for a while, them get like this. So, I'm going to spray some WD-40 and the rag. And simple. Alright. Rub it. Notice the difference. It's cleaner. Just use a dry, don't use the same wet section. Use the dry part and clean off the WD-40 off of the surface. And then I'm gonna try. Now sometimes when you clean with the WD-40, you also have to use the razor. So I see me have the razor. Use the razor and just run across. Rub it like this. Try it again. Alright. Still nothing. Alright, so now my fault is the razor. Alright, still nothing. I need a razor, but also with it. Ready? What I do here is cleaning the legs, the contact leg. Sometimes I can even use this. Now Now bear in mind that sometimes when you clean it, I don't work for all of them, because sometimes when you clean it, the cartridge might have internal damage, so you might have a problem with the cartridge overall. You necessarily clean it one clean. But if you do this and it works, well, very good. See it? Right, good as new. That's it. No, shouldn't do that. Anyways, now you see it? Clean it. Clean. Now this one, honestly, that one I kind of beat upstairs. So I don't know if it's gonna work, but we know what kind of cartridge is it. When we get it from him, kind of like a fire damage on it, but I try to clean it anyway. Now, what I usually do, what me always do is this. I take the razor, put it at the edge, put it at the edge right here, so, and just run it across. Now, if you don't want to remove this like a plastic, what you can do is get the kind of hard for using, put the WD-40 in there, make small spaces with something. So what you do, you get something fine and go in between these legs, and just rub each one of the legs then. I mean, you find it easier when we take off the a little plastic right here, so make it better. And sometimes you might have it. Why am I always take them off though? Sometimes when we get a cartridge, especially a cartridge to clean, the thing is this, sometimes them little teeth here kind of bend up. So I'm just remove it all together. You're not gonna make the cartridge work, don't work. Cartridge work just fine. The cartridge will work just fine. As you can see a while ago, the cartridge them work a while ago. Don't make no difference at all. Work totally fine. Alright, clean it. Usually I take them off, so I'm going to show you a different way you can clean it. Cartridges are kind of funky. You can see. Let's see. Give it a go now. Cartridges here give me some problem. Cartridges are 9. No. I remove the legs. And see, as I can say, I don't know if this will work. But basically, I'm just to show you the way you can clean them. The razor right across, and sometimes just go like this. You have tall fingernails too, so yeah. Right? Get something fine and do it. Next thing, why I usually remove this too. Sometimes you have some little corroded section in between the legs where I make the two legs them shots together. So when you remove all of this plastic, you can get to see in between the legs them right here. So because you wear the plastic rod, so you get to see in between it. So you can be able to clean it properly. Like I said before, I'm not 100% sure about this, but I'm gonna try it the same way. Try it without the WD-40 a while ago. Never work. WD on it same way. And then if anything, run the razor across it again. Sometimes you have open the creases. You have to use just put a sharp little pointy object. Like a little screwdriver or your pliers. And rub it across it same way. I want to try if it works. Ready? Alright. Yep, here we go. See? What game is this? Let's play it and see. Okay. I've this cartridge put on for a while, you know. Perfect one for you. Oh, it's a football game. Alright, basically that's the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for the new subscribers. As normal, like I said, please like and share the video. If I help you out, just write in the comment section. Tell me thanks. Have some other video. You can make a video suggestion if you want to see me do any more repairs. You can always ask me for it. You can always ask, make a video suggestions. I'm gonna try and help you out as best as possible. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Peace out, man. Until the next video.